Okay, folks, so now I can explain it. I'm getting a lot of emails and voice messages and stuff, okay? So this right here is called Inboxdollars, okay? Now, we're not going to be taking surveys because those suck and they take forever and it's a waste of time, okay? You're going to make probably $5 a day and you're not going to get anywhere, okay? What I'm talking about is, well, that's actually perfect. The long game. Earn $40. No, okay, so you go to offers, okay, after you download this app. Okay, now there's Stash Invest, there's Caesar Slots. See all these right here where they got big money numbers, okay? Clean Cult, Huge Casino, downloading DoorDash, you get a gift card, this and that. Domino's, 10 cents. That's a waste of time, too. Don't do that. But listen, Rise of Kingdoms, see, $40, okay? So I played this game, alright, and it says level 17. It took me 3 days and about 3, maybe 4 hours, okay? So with 4 hours time, I made $40. So that's $10 an hour, okay? These are not a complete waste of time. What you need to do is just remember that what you're learning here now is basically how you can make money doing things that you do every day. How you make money playing video games. And then I'm going to show you another one, okay? And this video will be later. But how you can make money watching videos and how to just click and post, okay? So this is State of Survival, okay? This game is pretty easy as well. Level 25, I got there in about 3 days, so it was about $5 an hour. Okay, but you do the math on this, and that's about 40 bucks. Okay, so, or no, that's, sorry, I got ahead of myself. Okay, so you make $20 off that game, and you're making the 40 from the other game. So with about 8 hours invested, you've made $60. Okay, which is still close to the realm of about $10 an hour. All right, if you do the math right and put everything together for yourself. Okay, and you got Club Vegas slots is 12 bucks. But like I say, okay, so there's like 3 or 4 games on here, but there's one game to be specific, okay? And that is, and it's a very easy game with a very good high payout, okay? So see all these games right here, okay? Well, the game that I was looking for is actually called coin slots, and it's got a pig on the front of it. I'm trying to find it real quick for you guys here. Okay, maybe it's Caesar slots. Caesar slots, right here, 8 bucks. Okay, so you gotta be 24, but this one right here, this is another one that you want as well, because you redeem points, you get prizes, and you get paid, okay? So this is another good game, okay? Now there's another app that I use that coincides with that app, okay? And that app is Misplay. Okay? So basically when you download these two apps, okay, they're gonna play off of each other. Sorry, I didn't collect my points yet. But see, I got more money. Look at that. There we go. More money, more payout. Here we go. Yep. Alright, so I got 1,500 points. But see, you find these games that are on the other one, okay? Rise of Kingdoms. Here it is, right? So you click on Rise of Kingdoms, boom, right? What you do is you would install the game, you play it on the Inboxdollars and on this, and you kind of start to double dip, okay? So what I mean by double dipping is that you're going to get paid by Inboxdollars and as well as getting paid through Misplay. You get what I mean? So, what you need to do is it takes a little bit of homework, but once you get it down, you get it down. See, I play all these, and these are on another app that I use that I'm getting paid to play these, and I have made close to Raid Shadow Legends. That one's a Inboxdollars game, and that one right there actually pays out very well. Okay, so when that one pays $40. So I'm playing that and I'm getting money from that game to this. And that's basically how you're going to make money with playing video games. Because you're not going to make money playing the video games if you just say, okay, I'll go to Miss Dollars and they pay me out. No. If you do that, you're going to make a little bit of money, not much, but your time won't be as well spent, okay? So, like I said, what you want to do first, okay, you download Inboxdollars, okay? Download Inboxdollars. I'm going to put a link below so that way you can also, it'll help me make money and you get a percentage of what I make, okay? So, what happens is sorry, that was another person hitting me up for information. What happens is I'll give you my link, you add me to your account, I get 10% and you get 10% of each of what we make, okay? So it's just like a buddy system, okay? Same thing as well with Misplay. And I'm going to put a link in the description below so that way you can learn, you can get a percentage of what I make, I get a percentage of what you make. Buddy system and through referrals is also where you make more money, okay? So what you want to do is as soon as you add this, you want to get your friends involved. You want to get people involved. Referrals make you more money, okay? So anybody, I mean, you can find anybody that plays video games on their phone, then you're golden. Because it's basically stuff that we do, like, you know, not to be funny, but, you know, if you're riding on the bus, if you commute into work, if you're on the, you know, going to the bathroom, or if you're just laying in your bed and you can't sleep and you decide to put a game on, you're going to get paid for that. And I know I've spent a lot of time playing games and I didn't get any compensation for it. So, like I say, a little bit is better than none. And with this system, plus another one I'm going to make a video tomorrow on, where you watch videos, you get paid for those videos, and you add links to copy and paste basically method, where I average about $140 a day. So just keep following the channel. Like I say, don't do anything except install, sign up, and then go to your games, okay? Get your games off this first, okay? So like pop slots, stuff like that, these games, and then go to Misplay and download the one that is going to give you a counter offer on both apps. So when you download them, you're going to get paid from two separate apps, but you have to download them first on Inboxdollars. So when you download it on Inboxdollars, you'll get paid for that. And then when you go to Misplay, you're going to see the game and you put install game. It'll just bring you to the game. It won't install it twice, for obviously. But what it'll do is it'll give you points for what you play. Okay? So make sure you like, smash the subscribe button, and give me comments. Let me know stuff that you want to learn how to make. I know a bunch of different methods for passive income, for making money on your phone. If you have zero money and you want to start getting some money so that you can maybe, you know, build a small business. If you want to just pay some bills, learn a little bit more, let me know. Whatever you want a video on, you give me the information. Say, hey, Money Mitch, I want to learn how to make money while I'm asleep. And I got a video coming for that too. I'm just trying to get everything worked in motion.